Good morning, my Fixin family. Hope y'all are having a great day. It is extra early today, and that is the moon way up there in the sky because it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and Mrs. Fix and I, for the last several weeks, we babysit Sota 3 times a week, and so we get up at 5 o'clock, and we drive to Arlington and pick up Sota and bring him back out here for the day. But I thought y'all might like to see Marmalade and Bun Buns because Bun Buns is not usually out during the day, but she's hopping around this morning. Hey, Bunny. Bun Buns. How's Bun Buns doing this morning? Marmalade's already been crowing. 4:30. 4:30, Marmy. He starts his day off early. Bun Buns, where'd you go? There you are. Bun Buns. She's so active at night. I know they're nocturnal. That's why this setup works out so well. He normally sleeps all night long, but Bun Buns is up at night, and he's up during the day. So anyway, when I'm out in Arlington this morning, I'm going to pick up some tickets, and then when I get back, we'll scratch them off. So we'll see you in a couple hours. All right, we made it back from Arlington. I picked up $170 in tickets from a 7-Eleven. I just took a cute picture of Sota. I got to share it with you. Hey there. Marmy's still crowing. I just got him out of his car seat, and he just gave me the cutest look, so I had to take a picture for y'all. All right, so here is what we've got to play today. I picked up, going big, picked up two $50 Casino Millions. It is on 12 and lucky number 13. Picked up one $20 $1 million jackpot, ticket number 5. One $10 $100 million cash payout, ticket number 38. One 50 times cash word, ticket number 39. One mega lotria, lucky number 1. Just loaded a brand new pack. Didn't realize that. I got a couple of crazy cash, 63, 64, and we're going to start off with some $2 20 extra, 28 through 32 with Marmy cheering us on. He crows all throughout the day. He's a non-stop crower. All right, let's see how this session works out. See if we can't find some profit. All right, see if the 20 extra keeps paying. Looking for a match win or that 2 or 20 times symbol. Sota thinks Marmy is so funny. 15, 16, and 18. Can't wait till he can start running around here playing with everybody. All right, nothing on the first ticket. 29. 17, 23, 21. Oh, got a 17. All right, what do we have under matching 17s? We have $2. All right, got some money on the board. Ticket 30. 5, 7, 14. Come on, multiplier. All right, got 2 left. 31. 5, 17. 5, 17, 26. Oh, got a 17. Anything else? We haven't had the double matches yet. If that's even a thing. I'm sure it is, but I haven't seen it. All right. Matching 17s, 4. 4. Hey, $5. Getting a lot of $5 winners. All right, that's 7 out of 10. Let's see if we can't get one more win on 32. 23, 24, 28, or a multiplier. And 19. All right, 7 out of 10. Not bad at all. Let's try a couple of crazy cash. 63, 64. We're looking for coins across the top. Come on, coins. All right, we're looking for bills and money bags in a row, column, or a diagonal line. How about some money bags? Nope. All right, match and win. Match and win. A match. Yeah, it is match and win. But you get the win symbol. It is a win all. Haven't found the win symbol yet. All right, 15 and 28. Maybe it's on this ticket. All right, we've got one more. Ticket 64. All right, be the ticket, Crazy Cash. Show me coins. No coins. Come on, bills. Right here? Nope. Money bags. Nope. All right, let's see if we can't find a match or the win symbol. 21 and a 6. And nothing on our Crazy Cash. Well, let's try the Mega Lotria. Very first ticket in the pack. All right, we'll do these two at a time. All right, we're looking for a spur and a ship. See if there's a win on ticket number 1. Spur and ship. No spur or ship. Nope. All right. How about cherries and desert? Well, there is desert and there is cherries. Maracas and a cowboy hat. There is maracas and there is a cowboy hat. Rattlesnake corn. Got them both. Corn. Rattlesnake. Chili peppers and a hen. Chili peppers and a hen. Oh, chili peppers. No hen. How about moonrise and an oil rig? Moonrise. Oil rig. Saddle armadillo. Armadillo. Saddle. Do we have an armadillo? Another one? Nope. Ooh, let's get football. Come on, football. Roadrunner and a horseshoe. Newspaper, mortar pestle. Newspaper, mortar pestle. Spear and strawberries. Here's spear. Spear strawberries. Spear strawberries. Nope. Guitar and fire. Guitar. Guitar fire. Guitar fire. All right, we got 6 spots. Soccer ball and a horse. There's a horse. Needed the football. Sunset and a cowboy. Cowboy. Sunset. How about the covered wagon? Covered wagon football. Nope. All right, so pecan tree and Mr. Lizard. Mr. Lizard. Pecan tree. And that is nothing on our Mega Lotria. All right, let's try some 50 times cash word. It is ticket number 39. We're just going to scratch off all our letters and see what we have and don't have. And if we do win, you only need 2 words for break even. If you have matching multiplier symbols, you multiply the prize. All right, let's see if we get some good letters today. I think we're going to need some good vowels. An A and an O. Well, there's an A. Oh, and an O. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. All right, so let me make sure that's focused. Yep. All right, so A, no E, I, O, no U. We have Y, we have S. We have a C and an N. We have no R or a T. Wow, we have no E, R, or T. So if there are words that have E, R, or T in it, we just skip right over those and go on. All right, let's see if we can do it without an E, R or a T. Right? Yep. There's an R and an E and a T and an R and an R. How about U? Y, O. Oh, we have no U. That's right. T and a T and an E. Pink. P-I-N-K. Just need one more. E. Nation. Oh, we have no T. No T. E and a T. How about we have no Y, no U, no U. A T and an E and a T and R and an E and an E and a T. All right, let's see if it's in game number 2. E and a T and an E and an E and a T and an R and an E and an E, a T, an E, and we have no N, right? Oh, yeah, we do. And we have and. Yeah. All right, just need one more. There is an R and an E and an R and an E and an R and an R and we don't. Do we have an L? We have an N-A-I. We have an L. Oh, no L. There's an E and a T and an R and no L. All right, let's try the last game. See if it's on game number 3. There's an R and we have Cobb. There's an E and a T and a T and an R, an E, and an E, and no win. Let's check our multipliers. We had matching ones, then I missed something, and nothing on our cash word. All right, let's try the 100 million cash payout. And where's my coin? There it is. All right, it's on 38. It is a match and win. If you get the money back, it's the auto win, or that 20 times symbol. All right. It's got a good odds for hitting 75 if you're lucky enough to find it. We found it a few times. 44, 45, 18, 10, 59, 16, 50, and 55. All right, let's do it. Just takes one. I can scratch it. Oh, there's the money bag. Oh, can we get anything else? Got some good wins under the money bags. Curious if we can get anything else. Come on, scratch, scratch. It's not one to scratch here. Oh, got a 45 money bag and a 45. Anything else? At least a double. Unless we get something else. Oh, it's so hard to scratch today. And 31, 47, 56, 8, and 35. All right, it's going to be a bunny bag and 45. So how much? We've got, hey, 10 and 10, 20 bucks. Very good. We needed that. All right, let's see how the $20 1 million jackpot does. Ticket number 5. It is a match and win or a 2, 5, or 20 times symbol. We're looking for a 46, 58, 39, 15, 35, and 37, or a beautiful multiplier. Marmy wants to see a multiplier. All right, let's see if it's on the last row. 16, 26, 7, 47, and an 8. All right, this comes down to our $50 tickets. Again, is tickets number 12 and 13. All right, let's see if we can win on both of these. All right, let me put this down. It's getting a little windy. Come back here, come back here. All right, we're going to start off up top. We are looking for 2 matching prize amounts to win in the bonus. All right, Casino Millions, save the session. 500, 100, that's 2, 200, and 50. All right, now down here, remember it does play vertically. We're just trying to match the dealer's number or a 2, 5, 10, or 20 times symbol. If you're new and wondering why I'm playing it though horizontally, that's because when the ticket first came out, I have to zoom out so far to get everything in screen, and everybody seems to prefer playing it horizontally because I can keep it closer to the camera. So that's why we're playing it horizontally. I kind of like it. It keeps the suspense a little longer playing it that way, I think. All right. So we're looking for 30, 43, 18, 24, and 42. Or a beautiful multiplier. Still looking for that big multiplier on this ticket. Oh, thought we had it there. Oh, there's the 2 times. Okay, we got the 2 times. That helped a lot. Let's see if we get anything else. That's great. That's great. Come on, let's get another 2 times. Oh, I gotta raise it up for the last 2 rows. That's great. Can we get another one? $42, nope, 41. All right, just a matching 2 times. Can we see some big zeros? 2 times. 2 times, little zeros. Hey, we got the 100. That's great. All right, let's see if we can't go back to back on ticket number 13. I'd love to go back to back on a $50 ticket. 50, 100, 500. All right, let's do it down here. So we're over half back. All right, 4, 25, 23, 18, and 42. Let's find the big outlier on this ticket. All right, last 2 rows. Can we get a match or another multiplier? Lucky number? Nope. 18. Last one, 42 multiplier, and nothing on the second ticket. That 100 helped though. That's great. So we got 100, 120, 125, $127. Not bad at all. And that beautiful 2 times on Casino Millions. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all go find some big winners today. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day. And Marmalade and I will talk to you later.